a variation. We have the sushi nori sheets. Then we put something. We just cut it into 1/4 of these wrappers. And now we are stuffing our pork. This pork you just season it according to your own choice. We are now folding it in. Like this, just fold it. You can tuck more if you like. Just like the Japanese nori roll. Just tuck it more if you like. So it's quite cute,
Yes.
1 drop of water to make it more stable. Just fold like this. Close off the gap. Fold. Also add some green pepper sticking out to give more dimensions, new dimensions to this 3D dimensional effects to these wrappers. Sushi, a kind of sushi, new kind of sushi. Now, pan is hot as usual. We'll put in the oil. Just in case it's thicker. Move around our wok so it doesn't stick to the wok. Good. Okay, now we can leave it, slightly reduce the fire and then leave it for 5 minutes. You see, it's already brown. So we slightly increase the fire a little bit. Take care. Close it again, reduce the fire a little bit, and let all the water evaporate as steam. So it's a fry and steam process. Very nice. We have got the sauce. Here you are. Beautiful wrappers, Japanese inspired. And let's enjoy. The fry and steam wrappers, like sushi. Roll. Okay.